How to remove account from Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in with your account. Now, in order to remove account from Messenger, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right of your screen and here you will see the option for switch profile. So tap on the switch profile option you see there and then go ahead and navigate to the account that you want to remove and then swipe towards the left on your screen and you will see the delete option. So tap on the delete option you see there and in the confirmation that appears tap on remove, and with this, as you can see, that particular account has been removed. So this was about how you can remove account from Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.